Hello, and today we're going to be going over the additional payments page, also known as debt snowflakes. What these are additional payments you can make in addition to your regular budget. So you can see here at the top our snowball amount is $830. So that's the amount extra we're going to be paying every month until we're all debt free. So what this allows you to do is pay extra on top of that. So knowing that November is going to be a 3-paycheck month, I'm going to create a snowflake for November. That's going to give us an extra $500 next month. What you do is you choose the month, year, amount, and click on save. And you can see here we have it added to our November 2018 budget. So let's check out our Snowball table to see what that does for us here. Click on the Snowball button up there. And you can see over here in the additional payments column, we have $500. So our normal budget was $1,000. That bumps it up to $1,500 just this one month only. And you can see how it automatically applies the extra amount towards the next account in line. And one nice feature about the snowflakes is the ability to do a negative amount also. So since Christmas is coming up in December in a couple months, I'm going to go ahead and create a negative snowflake. Let's do negative 500 to cover Christmas expenses, or usually money's tighter on Christmas, so let's create a negative snowflake for that. You can see it's on our list here as a negative amount with parentheses. So let's see what that looks like. You can see it bumps up our debt-free date to May, and we also have a total payment of $500 instead of $1,000. You can see a negative amount here. And so that bumps up our payoff date for this account 1 month. But that just gives you some flexibility and makes your budget more accurate based off of real life expenses. And you can always edit them if you need to change it. Just click on the button. Let's see, I can bump it up to 600 instead. You can always play around with these to see how your budget's going to be affected by these changes. And you can also delete them here by clicking this button. Another thing about this page, you can create multiple snowflakes per month. So you don't have to think of a total amount for the month. You could do another amount for $100 for November, and it would show up here also. So it gives you a ton of flexibility. So I highly recommend checking out this page. Additional payments, debt snowflakes. Thanks.